Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to keep apps updated when running in pop-up mode. So normally apps in pop-up view pause or slow down when you switch focus, but this setting keeps them running and updating in real time. So in my case, I usually use this setting when I'm watching cricket online. So say for example, I'm watching a cricket match. So when I'm watching a live cricket match, I want to make sure this is updating quite regularly so I can find out what the score is. So as an example here, I can go ahead and watch a live cricket match in the background while doing something else here on another tab. So I'll work on this tab here. However, in the background, this tab will keep updating itself. So let me show you how you can turn on a feature which does that for you. So here you need to first go ahead and open up the Good Lock app. In the Good Lock app, you want to go ahead and scroll down and find Multi-Star, tap on it, switch this feature on and scroll down and find Multi-Focus. So here you need to go ahead and turn this feature on. So here with this feature, apps that stopped when they lose focus no longer stops. So it keeps working in the background. So here, when you open up an app which you want to be updated quite regularly, that keeps updating in the background while you're doing something else in the foreground. So you can watch a live stream or real-time dashboards while multitasking. You can continue video calls or chats without interruption. And it's perfect for gamers. And it's perfect for gamers monitoring side apps while playing their game. So there you go, guys. That is how to keep apps updating when running in pop-up mode on your Samsung Galaxy device. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.